Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation.
Military force is inevitable in prosecution of colonialism, and it becomes exceptionally brutal at the eventual resistance of target nations. Obioraobiezemeditation. Without the military force, national resistance will foil colonization. In the history of organized human activities, great innovative actions have always been facilitated by massive military operations. With colonialism coming as a perfect example, there was a fundamental replacement of entire national culture of the target nations. The resultant fierce resistance would inevitably be crushed by brutal military force. It comes as no surprise, therefore, that every sovereign nation views its body of armed forces as principal priority. By this, greater percentage of the national resources is spent in developing the military. Understandably, the universal power and influence of a nation is extensively determined by the vast strength of its armed forces. Be this as it may, building up a massive military base in negligence of other aspects of national existence is detrimental to the integrity of the country. Without reasonable distribution of developmental activities, overwhelming military presence would brew a culture of violence and antagonism, and with time, self-destruction through civil unrest. May divine peace, love, and companionship of the Almighty Deity descend and remain with you throughout whatever is left of present incarnation. You are blessed. Obioraobiezemeditation.
Meditation. Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation.